Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startup. Today I'm gonna show you how to merge two photos in one picture. So guys, here I'm going to show you the very easy process to merge two photos in one picture. So let's get started. So guys, to merge two photos in one picture, we are going to use Word. So simply open the Microsoft Word. Click on blank page. Now first import the images. So simply click on Insert tab. Click on Pictures. First adjust the size. Now import the second photo. Again click on Pictures and this device. Click on Wrap Text. Click on In Front of Text to move this picture freely. So guys, after that simply click on File. Click on Save As. Select the location. Now close this. Open File Explorer. Now click on Documents. And this is the picture. So guys, but we want this in JPG format. What you have to do, you have to simply take screenshot of this picture. So to take screenshot, simply press Windows plus Shift plus S and simply drag and simply take the screenshot like this. Now here you have to click on three dots. Now click on Open with Paints and click on OK. Now here simply save the picture. So guys, here you can see we have merged two photos in one picture. So you can also merge two photos in one picture by following this process that I have shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.